Actually, if you guys could do me a favor and just sit up better in your seats, because the next speaker was the founder of the American, I almost said prostitute backline. It's the Posture Institute. Let's get it right, people. Don't hashtag the wrong thing. This is important. But I don't want her to come out here and judge you for slouching. So let's show her how good the CalJam crew is. Sit up straight. Let's stand to our feet. Come on for Dr. Krista Burns. Stand it up. Let's go.
Meet Lucy, the matriarch of all modern humans. This amazing being was the most advanced organism of her time, dating back 3.2 million years ago. See, in Lucy's time, she was the only evolved bipedal body. While all of her friends were running around on their hands and their feet, they were literally looking up to Lucy, because Lucy gave them a glance into what would come from human evolution. Lucy's ability to stand on 2 feet and have an upright postural design changed the course of human evolution for every single human being on this planet. Did you know that when humans evolved to be upright like Lucy, that our brains tripled in size and functional capabilities? Your posture was the single distinguishing factor leading to the evolution of the human superbrain. Now, back in Lucy's time, our brains were only this size, just a couple of inches long and 1 pound in weight. I want you to take your hands and cup them together just like this. This is the size of your brain today. And within this surface area houses billions of neurons and trillions of synapses responsible for everything we think, say, and do. Your posture makes you human. And every time you lay your hands on a patient, you're facilitating that system of brilliance that we spent 3.2 million years evolving into. Now that's powerful. Your gift of chiropractic is so powerful. Docs, hands in the air if you agree that neurology is fundamental to the chiropractic profession. Since you know that neurology is fundamental to what we do every single day in practice, together today we're going to master the neurology of the adjustment. Now I want you to take a second and imagine just how great your practice could be if you finally understood neurology. If you could look your patient in the eye and know with certainty exactly what they presented with, how it's affecting their brain and the structural design of their body, and how their postural distortion patterns are stealing their health and their dignity. Imagine how great that would be. I ask you this: how much is it costing your practice not understanding neurology? And worse, at what cost does it come to your patients? This is the love tour, docs. Today I'm bringing some tough love, because when we all understand neurology, the chiropractic profession becomes an unstoppable force to be reckoned with. And here's the thing, neurology doesn't have to be so complicated. I'm going to show you today how just a change in centimeters can dramatically grow your practices.
The CalJam Network is your all-access pass to CalJam all year long. The site hosts hundreds of videos and endless chiropractic content. The network is a great resource for anyone passionate about chiropractic health. Visit this newly renovated CalJam streaming service at caljamnetwork.org.